How to switch Discord accounts on Android. This tutorial shows you how to sign out and log into a different account on the Discord app on your Android device. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, scroll down and tap on Logout. At this point, a confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Logout again to confirm. In the next step, you'll be taken back to the Discord login screen. Following this, tap on Login and enter the email address and password of the account you want to switch to. Once done, tap Login to sign in to the new account. Finally, you'll be taken straight into the new account and can start using Discord as usual. And that's it. If this Discord guide helped you switch between accounts, give it a like, subscribe for more Discord tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.